Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this problem of the day from GFG, nth Fibonacci number. So we all know that Fibonacci series is a series where the nth element is equal to the sum of the last two elements. So it is like we have a 0 at the first index and then we go on 1, 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So these are the first 5 elements starting from n equal to 0. So 0th number is 0, first Fibonacci number is 1, second is 1, third is 2, and so on. So we have to find the nth Fibonacci number where n is a positive integer, and we also have to consider the modulo calculations. So if I say that const int mod is equal to 1e9 plus 7. Now, to solve this question, we can make use of recursion and we can also make use of iteration. So here I am going to make use of iteration. So basically, I will have to calculate the nth element, we just need to store what was the value of n minus 1th element and n minus 2 element. So for that, we can have our base values. That is, for the 0th index, we will just store it into n int a as equal to 0, and then the first index is equal to b equal to 1, and finally c is equal to a plus b. Now we can see that we have already written the b represents what is the value of this index, and c represents what is the value of the second number. Now we will just keep on moving in the loop up till the value n. So for int I equal to 2, so we can even skip this part. C I is less than equal to n. Inside that we will have an int c, and now since the sum of them can overflow, we will just store that sum in a long variable, so a plus b, and then do mod operation on it so that it comes within the range of 1e9 plus 7, and finally we will just update our values with the previous one. A becomes b and b becomes c. Finally we will return whatever is the value of c. So if we check the range, the n starts from 1 to 10 to the power 5. So if n equal to 1, we can start with having it as equal to 1. So if it is 1, then by default it returns 1. If it is 2, then it gets calculated. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So c becomes 1. Second index is also 1. Then for the third one, we will have 1 plus 1 and it will become 2. So that in that way it will go on working. So we can compile it now. And let me try it for some big number, say 10,000. So let us check our mod calculation as well. Okay. So we have 1e9, yay. Your output is 1. So so we are declaring this variable every time in the loop, and that is why it is becoming 1. Now it is correct. Let's submit it. Okay, it gets accepted, and so is the solution. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. See you tomorrow.